Hello friends, my name is Adnan Malik and today I'm going to make a scratch project named Triangles. It's very simple. Here's the sprite one name, change it to Triangle Maker. Now the code will be go to events here. The code today will be very simple. Take when flag is clicked. Now you have to click here and there will be pen. Click on this. Here's now this whole pen area. Now put erase all and then pen down. Then go to control and put repeat 80 times. And then in that put repeat 4 times. And now go to motion and now put move 100 steps and turn this side and turn right side about 120 degrees. Then you will also take another of this and put it here and change it by and change 15 to 20. Then go to looks and put change color effect by 25 and then go to pen here and put change pen color by 10. The code was very simple. And now let's change the backdrop. You can take any backdrop you want, but I'm taking this backdrop. Now let's start. Let's click flag. Yeah, it's going super fast. Nice. Conclusion is that when the flag will be clicked right here, pen erase all, then pen down. Then repeat 80 times. When flag clicked, erase all, pen down. Means that when the flag will be clicked, erase all colors which are drawn here like this. And then pen down means pen is down. So so it's coloring. Then repeat 80 times. Repeat 4 times. Then in that repeat 4 times. Move 100 steps and turn 120 degrees like this. It's turning 120 degrees and why it's moving so fast? Because of move 100 steps. Then in repeat 80 times, there will be turn 20 degrees, change color effect by 25 and then change pen color by 10. That's it. It's very simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friend and subscribe to the channel. And in my next scratch video, I will tell you how to make a square turn like this, which is here. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.